Good morning, all Giraffe Chess players. This is Sailaja, Director of International Giraffe Chess Federation, wholeheartedly inviting you all IGCF Giraffe Chess membership players. We are going to come and participate the 300th Giraffe Chess Sunday tournament. We are successfully completed the 299 tournament. So we are about to successfully going to finish the 300th Giraffe Chess tournament. Let's cooperate. So with your support, cooperation and discipline, we are going to successfully complete the 300th tournament. For the winner and runner of sub-juniors, juniors and seniors of boys and girls, separately honored with trophies. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Thank you in the service of Giraffe Chess from IGCF.